This is a 5-axis oscillating cutting system engineered for high-precision stone carving applications. The system operates through synchronized multi-axis motion, enabling stable and controlled machining of complex 3-dimensional geometries. This footage captures the initial stage of a long-duration carving process, where the tool begins to define the structure based on precise 3D model data. Throughout the operation, the system maintains consistent motion accuracy and smooth axis coordination to ensure refined surface development. Designed for continuous processing, the system is suitable for detailed artistic stone fabrication requiring high stability and precision.